guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. My name is Jasmine. I am so glad you guys are here today. I am so excited. I'm opening my second PR box. This is my base box. You guys are going to be seeing 3 different videos. We have the base, premium, and Boxy Luxe. So if you are subscribed to base and you did not upgrade it, I'm going to show you this variation so you guys will see exactly what you might be getting. Also keep an eye out for the choice item because that will depend exactly which one you might get. So let's go ahead and open this box. I am so excited. Some of these products I was able to try and I'm going to share that with you. So the variation that I received, but as you know, this is glam vibes only, and this is so interesting because it's glam. What do you guys I really want to know. Tell me in the comment section, what is glam vibes to you? Is glam a purse, a super expensive purse, super luxury makeup or skincare, or an outfit? Or glam could be shoes or the accessories. What is glam to you? Let me know. To me, I think the perfume. There's certain perfumes that, I don't know, makes me feel so good, and I like Chanel, I like Gucci, the new Gucci. I know there's so many I love. So what is glam to you? So this box I got, and this is variation 105, and the value for this box is $143. So let's go ahead and open it. And if one thing, remember, we had just 2 choice items for the base box, but one of them was Kate Somerville, and that's exfoliate, and as you know, this one retails for $85, and the other one was Farmacy, and that one retails for $45. So depending which one you selected, I tried this product and I am wowed, impressed with it. It was one time and I feel like it gave a nice glow, so the exfoliation was really good. But on this box, on this variation, is the Farmacy Sheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. This takes me back because I lived in PR in Puerto Rico when I was a little girl, and my grandfather had an acerola tree, and it's a cherry, but it's very different. They're very colorful. So it's nice to see that ingredient there. It just took me back to when I was a little girl. And so this is from Farmacy, and I love this brand. Every time, anything that I have used from this brand, I've seen improvement. I sometimes try something else and I'm like, no, I need to go back to what I was using for Farmacy. I'm really impressed with their brand. And as you know, this is a vitamin C for the eye cream. This is going to be super hydrating. It's an eye cream that's going to brighten and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. I don't have that much dark circles, but because I've not been resting so much, I'm noticing that they're popping out more, and I do get some fine lines. So I want to try this out to help hydrate that area. That is going to give me that instant radiance to the eye area. And I love that it's fragrance free, and that is so true. I thought it was going to be powerful with the scent, and this was not at all strong. Look how cute the packaging this is. I like that it is a glass container, and here is the product. You barely smell anything here. At least I don't smell anything there. So I just can't wait to try this product from Farmacy. Then we got the palette HipDot. Here is the palette from HipDot, and look, the name is Cyan, and the inspiration for this palette is Utah's sandstone caves, and the colors here are super pretty. I don't want to open it because I did get it in Boxy Luxe, and let me know if you guys want to see more eye makeup look using this palette. It is so me. I love because it has the warm tones, but it has the pop of purples there too. So I think this is, you could create so many eye looks, and I love that it comes with a mirror too. So very pretty, and I'm glad that I got it on this box. So that is HipDot Cyan eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $30. Then we got the Luna Magic Beauty Blended Pearl 4-piece brush set. So this one retails for $18, and this, look how cute the packaging is, and it brings 4 different brushes. This reminds me that we did get, some of us received some 4 brushes from Murphy, and they were thin, but now I'm like, oh, I love them because they were so thin. Now it's more precise, and I did use some of those for the makeup look. So look at this here. It does feel really soft, so that will be nice to blend. So what else did we get on this box? As you know, we're going to be getting some products from Huda Beauty, Alamar Cosmetics. I got Huda Beauty. I am so excited to try Huda Beauty. I love her concealer. I mean, I loved her concealer, but I love more her foundation. It's when you want a really full coverage, and I love how it smells. So I know a lot of people don't like it, but I love how it smells. So I really love her brand, and I'm glad to see that Huda Beauty is coming to Boxycharm. And I think this is glam. This is a little expensive too, at least her line. And this is the Life Liner Dual Pencil and Liquid Eyeliner. This one retails for $25. So this is dual. I think this is really good. I try to do the wing line with this, and I was impressed. I am not a pro. I barely do this, and it was really easy to do and follow. What I like was that it has the pencil, and then you could do the liner. So what I did was I used this first just to do the wing line. This is something that she recommends. You do the wing line first just to create the line, and then with the pencil you fill in the gap, and then you continue the rest. That technique was perfect for somebody like me that doesn't know anything about it, and it really made me feel more comfortable doing this. So I like this. This is a Life Liner Dual Pencil and Liquid. So this is dual, it's 2-in-1. I am excited that I got this in this box on the variation 105. But another item that we got from Huda Beauty is the matte and metal melted shadows. Look at this. I can't wait to try and play with these shadows. Look at that color. It's so pretty. So that shadow, that is the matte shadow, and the matte is called Private Jet. And then we're gonna do the Shimmering Sunset. That will be the metal shade. And look at this. So we're gonna put that on the side. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. I saw the video when she launched this, and I was excited and wowed, and I've seen good reviews about it too. Of course, I've seen that sometimes it does dry, you just have to be quick, but it does say that some of the people claim that once they tried it, it's kind of wet, but once you blend it quickly, especially the matte shade, then it becomes like a powder texture almost, and that is something that you get from her foundation. So I just can't wait to try these products, and it does make your makeup routine to do an eyeshadow look, an eye makeup look really quickly with just 2 items. So look at those shades. I am loving this. This one retails for $25, and I think this is glam. Maybe not this product itself, but if it does do that, and I could create my makeup look in just a few minutes, and especially my eye makeup look in just a few minutes with just this item, this will be glam. It will be a keeper. So I am impressed to see Huda Beauty in the base box too. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this variation. Are you excited for this variation? So if you selected this product, then this might be your box. And like I mentioned, this one is $105, and the value of this box is $143. So I'm super excited just with this alone. I think everything else was just a bonus, because this is a good brand. This one retails for $45, and you have a palette, and then you get to try products for yourself from Huda Beauty if you get this brand, and then some brushes. So I'm excited for this box, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next video, bye.